Hello friends, is your car running hotter than usual? If your check engine light is on and the scanner shows code P0298, it means your engine oil temperature is too high. This can lead to engine wear, oil breakdown and even severe damage. But don't worry, in this video, we'll explain what P0298 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0298 stands for Engine Oil Over Temperature Condition. This means that the powertrain control module has detected that the engine oil temperature has exceeded the safe operating range. Common symptoms of P0298: check engine light on, engine overheating warning on the dashboard, loss of engine power, knocking or ticking sounds from the engine, burning smell or smoke from the engine bay. To diagnose P0298, focus on these key components: the engine oil temperature sensor, or EOTS, which is usually located near the oil filter housing oil pan, or inside the engine block. It monitors oil temperature and sends signals to the PCM. Then there's the coolant temperature sensor, or CTS, typically found on the engine block or radiator. It helps regulate the engine cooling system. Here are the common causes explained. First, low or contaminated engine oil. Dirty or old oil can overheat and lose its lubrication properties. Second, a faulty engine oil temperature sensor, or EOTS. Incorrect readings can trigger false overheating warnings. Third, cooling system malfunction. A faulty radiator, cooling fan or water pump can cause excessive engine heat. Fourth, blocked or dirty oil passages. Sludge buildup can reduce oil circulation, leading to overheating. Fifth, wiring issues. Damaged or loose connections to the EOTS or PCM can lead to incorrect readings. And lastly, PCM malfunction. This is a rare issue where the PCM misinterprets temperature data. Here are the steps to fix P0298. Step 1. Check your engine oil level and condition. Replace if dirty or low. Step 2. Inspect and replace the engine oil temperature sensor or EOTS if faulty. Step 3. Test the cooling system components such as the radiator, water pump, and cooling fan for proper function. Step 4. Clean or replace clogged oil passages to ensure smooth oil circulation. Step 5. Check for wiring damage and repair any loose or broken connections. Step 6. Reset the PCM and scan again to confirm if the issue is resolved. P0298 is a critical overheating issue that can lead to severe engine damage if ignored. Fixing it early can prevent costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0271, Cylinder 4 Injector Circuit High, and P0272, Cylinder 4 Contribution Balance Fault. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.